Just a minute. You're Bill?
Yeah, that's me. You must be Douglas?
Yeah, don't ever call me that again, okay? My name's Doug. Got it? William? I was expecting something else. And fucking untuck your shirt. This isn't fucking Geek Squad. Have you ever been in a fight?
I was on the wrestling team for a few weeks.
Well, I guess that'll have to do. You know, you should be lucky that we've never had a problem around here.
Do I smell weed?
No, it's my medication. I have a severe problem with my eyes.
Oh, what's wrong with them?
Night blindness.
Nobody can see well at night.
Duh, no shit. Look at, you know what? You wouldn't understand, all right? So do you smoke?
Only once.
Come on, man. We got a long night ahead of us.
Where the hell is our boss?
Hey, it's cool, okay? He leaves every night when I get in here, okay? I run the place myself. Just take the fucking joint, okay? It's cool. Don't worry about it. Come on. You new guys have so much to learn. That's what I'm talking about, rookie. Woo! All right. Hand it over. Only a real man puts a joint out on his tongue. All right, we got a lot of shit to do tonight. Let's go. Come on. First, I'm going to show you how the elevator works because it's such a complex system that it usually takes someone at my high level of elevating IQ to actually operate. Someone is. Whoa! What the hell are you doing? It's like 4 in the morning.
I feel like I should throw you a few dollar bills after that show.
I am so embarrassed. Listen, sorry. No, I was just dancing for a new coworker up on the monitor.
Well, I think you're funny. Get up. What's your name?
I'm Douglas.
Jasmine.
So you live here?
Yep. Room 220.
Yeah, I speak fluent sarcasm, sorry. Usually I'm the guy, security cameras and all that, but you caught me on my day off.
A man in uniform.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm not following you or anything. The security room is like right around the corner down here.
Sure it is. Guess you're walking me to my door then?
Yeah, no problem. So you're up pretty late.
Yeah, I'm a bartender. I work at this nightclub.
Oh, you must make a lot of tips.
I'm sure I'll see you around.
Yeah. I'm always watching.
Bye, Douglas.
Bye. Yeah. Have a good night. Fuck.
369, damn, it's fine. Over to your pocket to me one more